Okay, today we have solving equations using the distributive property. All right, hopefully today will be a little bit easier than yesterday in some ways. I don't know, but yesterday probably was a little challenging for some of you, and that's okay. We need to be challenged, all right? So today we're going to distribute our multiplication before we solve the equation. Anytime you have a number outside the parentheses, remember you are doing multiplication. 3 times 2x gets you 6x. 3 times a positive 10 gets you plus 30 is equal to 54. Now it's as simple as any other equation. You need to get your constants on the same side, so we're going to subtract 30 from each side of our equation. We're going to bring down our 6x. And 6x is equal to 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6x is equal to 24. Get rid of that 6. Divide both sides by 6. And we get x is equal to 24 divided by 6, which is 4. Okay? Let's do another one. So first step is to distribute our multiplication. So 6 times 4 is 24x. 6 times positive 1 is plus 6 is equal to 78. Then we want to get our constants on the same side, so we're going to subtract 6 to 0 pair that. We'll subtract 6 on this side. We bring down our 24x is equal to 78 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 0 is 7. 24x, forgot to write my x, is equal to 72. So now we need to know how many times will 24 go into 72? Well, if I didn't know that, I'd have to come up here and say, okay, some of you will have to do 24 times 2. And you'll do 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times, that's 48. Now I'm going to try 24 times 3. Well, 4 times 3 is 2. And 3 times 2 is, 12. Carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 72. So if I divide this side by 24, divide this side by 24, x is going to be equal to 3. Okay. I'm going to try another one. Let's see. Let's see if I can do number 3. So slowly. One more time, because this is the last time I'm going to do this. 2 times 1x is 2x. 2 times a positive 10 is plus 20 is equal to 60. Okay, bring down your 60. I need to get my constants on the same side, so I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides of my equation. Bring down my 2x. My positive 20 and negative 20 cancel each other out. That's what we wanted. I get 60 minus 20. Well, 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. So now I have 2x is equal to 40. Divide both sides by 2. And I get x is equal to, well, if you don't know that, use a separate piece of paper. But 2, I'm going to come up here and say 2 goes into 40. 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 times. And I get a 4. And that's 0, 0. So I have to put a 0 on the end. X is equal to 20. Okay? Have a great day. This shouldn't be that bad. Maybe some of the math. These are all positives. Let's do a couple on the back where they're negatives just for the fun of it. Okay? All right, these are subtractions, so let's do these. They're the same thing essentially. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times negative 10 is negative 40 is equal to 16. So instead of subtracting 40, I have to do the opposite sign from subtract. So to get rid of this, I'm going to add 40 to both sides. Bring down my 8x. This zeroes out. Equals 16 plus 40. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. If you know your facts, you know that 8 times 7 is 56. So if I divide this side by 8 and divide this side by 8, 8 times 7 will give me 56. So 56 divided by 8 gives me 7. And x is equal to 7. Okay? I'll do another one of those. 3 times 4 is 12x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, is equal to 27. All right, I have 12x minus 9 is equal to 27. I need to get my 9 and my 27 together. Get rid of it from this side by zero pairing and adding 9. If I add 9 to this side of my equation, I have to add 9 to this side of my equation. Now I've got, bring down my 12x. This is zero paired. 27 plus 9. Let's see. 7 and 9 is 16. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, here comes back your facts. Divide this side by 12 so I get 1x. I divide this side by 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. So x is equal to 3. Okay? Hope you have a great day. And see you soon.